And if it's at 0, the image appears to be like a 1 1/4x magnification. You can bring it down to like a pure 1x if you're shooting total close quarter. So if you're shooting close quarter combat, you bring this down to like till it bottoms out on negative, and that's like your 0 to 50 foot shooting. And literally when you look through here, you can see the front sight. It's a little obscured. You can't shoot co-witness through it, but I mean you can see it, right?
Sure.
So at this bottomed out at 0, image looks like it's a 1.25, which is fine. But if you want the pure 1.0, you bring it down.
Cool.
I'm zeroing it today. I'm just doing some sight adjustments. It's got quarter MOA clicks, which is really, really nice.
You just pull up on those and move it. You don't need a tool or anything.
To zero them, you pull them up and then zero them, and then put them back down. So it's toolless adjustments. I was thinking about getting one of them speed knobs for this thing.
It goes 1.5 to what?
Oh, there's a speed knob that you can just grab it and slap it real fast.
What does it go up to?
1 to 4.
1 to 4x.
Yeah, cool.
And I can't believe the sight picture. It's probably the nicest scope I own now. I mean, I like it better than my Night Force.
Really?
And my
Can you
loopholes.
zero just using your sights?
No. You can look through there and you see kind of like a blurry image of your front sight. But
Still too many.
I was just wondering.
So
Yeah,
you
the
have
dot,
a
you know, you could just basically zero it real quick before you do it on paper.
well, you have an obscured image because it's actually taking the light and expanding it, and then you have a collimator again. So you're actually bending the light.
Can I look through it once?
Yeah. It's safe. And this is the coolest thing, man. It's got these nice safety caps on here, and you can totally sight through these.
Right. Yeah,
They're great. So
I
like if
that.
you're in a dusty, dirty situation, you can shoot right through.
Exactly, or like hunting or something, you can just leave them on.
Yep.
I like it. I like the post.
I know. I didn't think I'd like that post. But,
Well, I have a post similar to that on my short dot. So.
well,
That's
I mean,
nice.
I just couldn't justify buying a
Yeah.
What does this cost?
$765.
Yeah, they're saving
Less than
$100.
half.
It
Yeah.
came with an AimPoint battery.
It's nice.
Yeah. I got my 9mm.
So then this is coiled fiber optic, illuminating that light
Yeah,
at
it's a
that
light
post
bulb.
in the day,
It's
and then
just-
at night, there's a Trijicon tube in there.
There's a huge tritium bulb in there. You know the kind at Deal Extreme where they sell like those really big bulbs? The
So
thing's
bigger than a
huge.
regular night sight.
The thing freaking bleeds light. Even with the cover on, underneath you can see light bleeding through. It's so freaking bright. It's crazy. It's way bright. You know how you got night sights on pistols?
Yeah.
This sight is like at least twice as bright as my SIG lights.
Wow.
Yeah. It's
But it's
crazy.
cool. Then when you're shooting, you need it.
Oh,
It's
at night
awesome.
it's perfect.
Yeah.
However, I went outside at night, and my Night Force is better at looking at stuff at night. It collects more light. It's a 1-inch tube in the front, but
Yeah.
the Night Force is better at collecting light. That reticle fades out when you hold over anything that's kind of bright.
The Night Force one?
This one. The Night
Oh,
Force
right.
is battery powered and it's like all red and no dots. I mean, you can't miss it
Yeah.
at night. But this one, at night, if you hold over like a house with lights on
Right,
and
it
stuff, that reticle kind of shades out. However, since that post is so defined,
Oh, okay.
you can see the front post. It does wash out.
Okay.
So the only time that this would really work for you if you're shooting from darkness into light is really well lit or if it's perfectly dark. The in between, that's the fog of war anyway, right? But it's awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
I
totally
like it.
stoked. I'm still zeroing it right now. Very cool. It's got that quarter MOA clicks. I love that.